In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split bills on Wise if you regularly share expenses with friends, housemates, or coworkers. The bill splits feature helps you organize who owes what without doing the math yourself. I'll walk you through the process in a clear, simple way and share a few tips so everything adds up correctly the first time. Start by heading to the Payments section on the left side of your Wise dashboard. In that menu, select Bill Splits. This is your hub for creating and managing shared expenses. If your layout looks a little different, don't worry. Wise occasionally updates the interface, but you're looking for the Payments area and the Bill Splits option within it. Next, choose what you want to split. If you see the transaction you're splitting, like a recent card purchase or transfer, you can select it directly. That keeps all the details consistent with the original payment. If the expense isn't listed, choose the manual option. Manual is perfect for things like shared rent, a group dinner, travel costs, or any expense you want to record from scratch. Just use whatever title makes sense so everyone recognizes it later. Now enter the details of the bill split. Add the total amount and, if needed, confirm the currency so there's no confusion. Add the people involved in the split, then decide how to divide it. You can split equally or customize each person's share by amount or percentage. If one person consumed more or covered extras, adjust their portion to reflect that. If Wise asks who originally paid, set the payer so that the split calculates who owes whom correctly. It also helps to add a short note, something like groceries 5/12 or utilities for June, so it's easy to track later. If you like, you can include a due date to keep everyone on the same page, and check for any tiny rounding differences so the total always matches the bill. Finally, review everything before finishing. Make sure the total is correct, the right people are included, and each share adds up to the full amount. A quick double check of names, amounts, and any notes saves time and avoids confusion later. When it all looks good, you're done. Your split is set, the math is clear, and everyone can see exactly where they stand. That's all. With payments, bill splits, a clear selection or manual entry, and a careful review, Wise makes shared expenses straightforward and stress-free.